It's a quad HD QHD, and I'm just gonna press the button of like to open this up. Let's see. First time it's just gonna open up, yeah. It's gonna take some time. Yeah, you can fast forward this section. Technical like details of this. It has NVIDIA RTX, sorry, NVIDIA GTX. Oh, there is like Turkish option. So this is a Turkish brand actually. United Kingdom, let's go. Yes, true. It's a Turkish brand and Monster notebook. Toolbar is the name of the. Yeah, that's the correct layout. Yes, add layout, which is gonna be Turkish. Let's go down and add it. So many languages, mate. Wow, crazy. Yes, Turkish. Turkey. Q, yeah. Exactly. Alright, so we're gonna connect to the Wi-Fi. I'll be back in a bit.